Hey y'all, it's Ty Jalea. Welcome back to my channel. So I have these braids in my hair to prepare for my crochet. I don't braid them any specific type of way. I just make sure that in the front I have them set where I want my part to be. But for this style, I'm using Trendy Tresses hair. This is the type of hair brand that I've used before and I love the crochet. So this crochet that I'm using this time is their Free Spirited Curls. The color I have is an ombre color, so it's black at the top and at the bottom it's a brown. So in each pack you have 3 of these loops of hair. In total I have 5 packs. I use about 4.5 packs, so basically all of them. So with one loop I'm just going to start by separating a piece. Now the first thing I recognize is this hair is pretty difficult to separate. I didn't have this experience with the other hair of theirs that I tried, so I do think it depends on the curl pattern that you're getting. So do expect with this hair that you might run into difficulty separating. However, once you continue to separate, it gets a little easier. Now that I have my first section, I'm going to take my crochet hook and begin installing in the back. So just slide it under. You're going to hook the hair onto the hook and then close the latch that is on the crochet hook. Just like that. Pull the hair back through to the other side. And then you're going to make sure you hold that looped hole open so that you can wrap the loop around the hair as if it's a ponytail holder. I think I wrapped around about 3 or 4 times for each hair loop, and it stays on pretty well, so you don't have to worry about it being too loose or sliding off. So pull it to tighten it once you're done. I use one whole looped section on this braid, so that's kind of about how much I was using on each. So this is just the one braid, and it's kind of already a lot of hair, which was stressing me out in the beginning. But anyways, like I said, it gets a little easier to separate, but you're going to definitely need some scissors because it's very sheddy, I guess you could say. So you're going to lose a lot of hair, but that's okay with this type of hair because it ends up really big anyway. Moving on to the front of the section, you're just going to do the same thing all over. No real pattern, at least I don't follow one, but I do want to mention with this hair, since there's so much, be careful as you're pulling the hair through because you don't want to accidentally grab hair from the hair that was already crocheted on because they will kind of get tangled in together. So that's why you see me pushing the hair back a lot. I'm trying to make sure the piece that I'm working on stays separated from the rest of the hair. Okay, now this is the very last piece that I'm going to show you as I'm putting it in. Because it was so big, I was really nervous at this point. I didn't expect for this hair to be big, and I'll show you at the end, but it's bigger than what it looks like even on camera. That's why I decided to leave the 2 braids out, but this will be the last one, and here is the finished result. This hair is huge on me. I love it if you are a person who loves dramatic hair. This isn't something for the everyday looks unless you love a big and dramatic runway or photo shoot look. So I hope this review helped you in making your decision on if you would get this hair. I personally do like the hair. I cut it down a lot, so it's a lot shorter and smaller now, and I've received a lot of compliments on it. So I would recommend the hair, but you have to be bold. You have to be ready to have a whole bunch of hair on your head. Also, don't forget, I have tried their hair before, so if this one is not for you, maybe another one of theirs will be. I love their hair usually, and these 2 looks that I've tried from theirs are so different. So maybe the other one works for you. But let me know down in the comments, would you dare to go this big with your hair? Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel. I have more videos coming each week. I will see you in my next video.